Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. Keep watching if you want to find out what's hiding inside these two packages. Let's start with the box. So I'm gonna move this one out of the way. Let's just put it there for now. And of course I'm gonna use this knife that I also got from AliExpress. This box should look familiar if you've watched some of my other videos. And if you've watched some of my other videos, you can probably guess what's inside this box. Drop a comment below if you think you can guess what's inside this box. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Remember to ring the notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. Do me a favor, leave a comment below, and if you don't know what to write in your comment, just leave a comment with a smiley so YouTube can recommend my videos to more people. I'm not gonna read it, but I'm gonna place it there. You can pause the video to read it if you want to read it. Just put it on the way. And have you guessed what's inside? Voila. Another solar camera. It came with a micro SD card, 128 gigs. I have no idea what this is for. We have a quick manual here, and we have a quick user manual. The manual is in English, just like with the previous camera I unboxed. So now how do we take this one out without breaking anything? Okay, so this is probably, it's not probably, this is for connecting the solar panel to the camera. Pretty sure it's the same as the other one. And here we have a bunch of screws, and we have a USB-C, a USB-C port, probably to charge the camera before installing it out. And then we can lift this one out. And what else do we have? Oh yeah, we have the camera itself. Let's just put it on the side right now. For now, put it on the side for now. We have a mount, wall mount. It's made of metal with the screws. and in the bottom we have the solar panel itself. Right, so I'm just gonna put the solar panel back in there. It's not that interesting, but this one is interesting. The camera itself. And just like the previous camera, you have two lenses here, some lights, a sensor, and some lights. Usually this camera comes, this part of the camera is made out of metal. This part is made out of plastic, and it feels like cheap plastic. So you shouldn't. If you get one of these, you should be careful not to drop it, because if you drop it, it's gonna break in small pieces, because it's hard plastic, but it's not rugged plastic, so it cannot sustain the fall. It's gonna break in small pieces. But this part is made of metal, the rest is just plastic. Alright, so this part is where you plug this, and this part is where is the part that goes into the solar panel. And let's open this, and that's the USB-C port. So as a term of rule, because these cameras have a battery inside, so before you install them, you should definitely fully charge them to 100%, and then you can install them outside. And they work best in places where you have the sun year round. But let's turn this on and see if there is some juice in there. Yep, there is some juice.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Yeah, I guess you heard that. So there is some juice in there. Let's just turn it off again. So that was the camera. Not much else to say about it. Oh yeah, in one of my previous videos I unboxed a solar Wi-Fi repeater and a solar 4G router. And the idea is the solar router is going to be installed with this 4G SIM card inside, and then because these are going to go around the compound, and then the repeater is going to be used to prolong the distance the Wi-Fi can reach. So these cameras can be installed around the compound with no wire. So that's the idea. But to subscribe to the channel, if you want to see those reviews, because there are reviews coming. They're not coming right away for the cameras and everything solar, but they are definitely coming. So do subscribe to the channel if you want to see those reviews. I think this is the second camera, the same as this one. It's the second one, and I have 2 other cameras. I'm probably gonna order more, but yes. So let's get this box out of the way. This one as well. Oh yeah, so this part of the panel goes in here. Then you just screw it like that. And I like the fact that this cord, the wire is long, it's not short. And because the wire is long, you can also install this inside the house and place the solar panel outside of the house. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Next package. So this is the thing. Moisture meter for measuring moisture in a bag of grains, for instance maize or soya. I think it's called soya. It's called soya, or any other grains for that matter. So that's and it comes in English. The user manual comes in English, only English. This is the thing. I hope this thing works and doesn't just mix numbers up. Oh, see, that's the thing I don't like. I don't understand why they couldn't just make it work with AA batteries, you know. Even if it has to take 4 AA batteries, it's fine, instead of these special batteries that are hard to come by. Which means I cannot even test it now because I'm pretty sure I don't have any of those batteries laying around. And this is the rest of the item. So the idea is that this goes inside the bag and this goes in here, and this goes inside the bag, and then you can read the level of the moisture right here on the screen. I'm gonna quickly look around and see if I can find one of these laying around. I'm pretty sure I don't have any of those laying around, but let me just have a quick look. Right, so I found one of these. I took it from the smoke detector, so I'm gonna have to put it back once I'm done here. I do not like this because once this one of these wire breaks, you are screwed. Alright, so on. Okay, so I'm not a fan of reading user manuals, but I'm gonna have to read this one quickly. just a quick glance to see what different thing means. So overview, technicality. All right, it's pretty simple. So you stick this one somewhere, and like right now I'm holding it, and it's saying that the moisture in my hand is 18%. I have no way of verifying if this is actually true or not, but I hope it's right. And when I release it, it says 0%. So I don't have anything to test it on, but I guess my hand is so if I hold it again, and you can see here it says, let me untie this so it's easier to see. So it says 0%, and I'm gonna grab the thing. I'm gonna grab it right here. All right. So now it says 17.5, 18% moisture in the palm of my hand. So I guess it works. I have no idea if it's the right measurement or not, but I'm hoping it is. Alright guys, that's everything I had for this small unboxing. If you made it so far, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, and remember to ring that notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. If you like the video, smash that thumbs up, and help my videos get recommended to more people by dropping a comment down below. If you can't bother to write anything, just a smiley will be fine too. Until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.